This is why the journey of YouTube is so frustrating, isn't it? Getting your first 1,000 subscriber is very difficult. Let's not pretend. But I found 7 channels that have been able to attain 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days. And it is all because they followed these 3 simple strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you in a moment. I want you to take note of something. All these channels are less than 10,000 subscribers, which makes them a few steps above you. If they can do it, you also can do it. Let's dive straight into the video. Strategy number 1. Optimizing your YouTube channel. If you want to get your 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days, guys, fully optimize your YouTube channel. By optimizing your YouTube channel, I mean you should put the right keyword, you should set up your YouTube banner, you should set up everything that concerns your YouTube. Everything that will make YouTube to recommend your video to the wider audience is what you should do. You should know that YouTube is the second largest engine after Google in the world right now. Through your YouTube channel setup, what you are simply doing is that you are making the YouTube algorithm to select or to find the audience that suits you. The mistake that small YouTubers make is not being able to set up their channel properly. What they do is that just open the channel and the next thing they are posting, right? So after you have opened your channel, you must fully optimize your channel. And one of the things to optimize is found on your YouTube studio. Now, when you go into your YouTube studio, click on settings and then click on channel. By this, you are able to select the country that you are presently in, all right? And then you're able to select the tags and then the channel keywords. Now, there's a difference between the channel keywords and the channel tags. So the keywords are what people are searching for, while the tag is used to identify information for your audience, all right? So for example, if you are in the cooking niche, then you want to put keywords like cooking, fried rice, jollof rice. Those are keywords, all right? But if you want to talk about tags, then you want to do hashtag 2025, hashtag trending, hashtag viral video, hashtag go viral, hashtag 1,000 subscriber. Those are hashtags. So the hashtag is different from the keyword. So on this particular part in your YouTube studio, you want to put all your keywords. And YouTube have given you enough chance to put more than 5 keywords, all right? So add enough keyword, make sure your YouTube channel is optimized. So after you have put in your keyword, you want to make sure that your YouTube channel is verified, right? Make sure your YouTube channel is verified. How do you know your YouTube channel is verified? Go to your search bar and type www.youtube.verify. All right, if your YouTube channel is verified, it will show you a green tick and your channel is verified. But if not, you need to go down to your future eligibility section in your YouTube studio, where you can make sure that you activate all 3. You must activate all 3 of this to make sure that your channel is verified. If your channel is verified, then you are on your way to hitting 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days. So you can pause this video and make sure that you go down to this setting and optimize your channel right away. And this brings us to strategy number 2, that is, become a consumer of your niche. You cannot tell a product that is good if you don't test it. So become a consumer of your niche by making research. Make research in your particular niche. For example, if you are in a niche that teaches people how to cook, you have to make research on those videos or those things that are already working in your niche. All right, if you make research on those things that are working, put them together and craft out your own, yours will also work. Study what is going on your niche, find people that are already succeeding on your niche and model them. All right, still like an artist. This is what I want to do when it comes to being a consumer in your own niche. Take your time, go to YouTube search and search for 5 creators in your niche. When you see these 5 creators in your niche, write it down. Go to this creators channel and subscribe to them. Then after you have subscribed to them, go to their video section and you will find a tab called the popular section. That is their popular video. Now look at those videos that are already working for them, those videos with high amount of views, those videos with about 100,000 views and above. Write down their title and save that video. This video that you are saving must not be anything above 2 years, all right? So if you get one of 1 year, it's fine. But if you get one of between 0 and 6 months of upload, then it's just perfect. After writing them down, watch this video and see what is working for them in this particular video. After you have watched them, then recreate your own out of this video. All right, I did not say copy and paste. I didn't say copy and paste this video, but recreate your own with your own style. Recreate your own video or this already existing video that is working. Once you have done this whole thing, then you are on your way to 1,000 subscribers. But before we go into strategy number 3, if you find this video very helpful and useful, please smash the subscribe button and then do not forget to give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to as much people as possible. Strategy number 3. Your thumbnails and your title. Your thumbnails are those images that people see before seeing your video. So imagine somebody reading a book. Before the person reads a book, before the person opens the book to read, the person already saw the title of that particular book. The color, the text, and how it was written in the front page of the book will determine if the person will read the book or not. So your thumbnail will determine whether people will click on your video or not. Another thing that will determine how you get your 1,000 subscriber is your title. Now, a compelling title will do 2 things. 1, it will make big promise. All right, a compelling title will make big promise. It will also tease the information that the audience care about. If your title is able to do this thing, then you are on your way to 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days. Remember, a good thumbnail must have 3 elements: the image, the text, and the background. All right, so make your thumbnails as colorful, as beautiful as anything in the world. So when you see these content creators, look at what is working for them, look at their thumbnails, look at their title, recreate your own title from their existing thumbnail and title, and then you are on your way to getting your 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget, you must be able to package yourself on this. So now that you know the 3 simple strategies that small YouTubers are using to get and attract tons of subscribers in less than 30 days, you also can do this. What are you waiting for? Start creating viral videos from existing content. Don't forget that you need to come up with ideas that are worthy of going viral. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, do get to check my video on how to get more views on YouTube. The link is somewhere above. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.